Large gates need the most reliable closing automation, and the best motors for that job are the ones offered by LiftMaster. The SLY2500 has been designed to support the hardest conditions. This is a very robust product, which is extremely reliable and does not require any additional electrical lock. On top of that, thanks to the photo cells, the automation will detect the obstacle before the impact. The automation recognizes the obstacle, stops and returns to its original position. Very versatile, the SLY2500 can fit to the specificities of any situation. With LiftMaster, you will also enjoy numerous innovative accessories that will improve your life every day. Make the right choice with the world leader. Make the right choice with the SLY2500 by LiftMaster.